Fiverr lets most new users create a seller account and publish a gig almost immediately, while Upwork reviews freelancer profiles before they can actively submit proposals. That difference is the biggest reason Fiverr usually feels faster for someone starting from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll know how the approval process works on both platforms, why one may take longer than the other, and which option makes more sense if your goal is to start finding freelance work as quickly as possible. Here's the short answer. If you're only comparing account approval, Fiverr is generally faster because you can create a seller profile and list your services without waiting for a manual profile acceptance, in the same way Upwork requires. Upwork reviews new freelancer profiles, and approval depends on whether your skills and experience match current marketplace demand. That doesn't mean Fiverr guarantees you'll get orders quickly. It only means you can start selling sooner. Here's how Fiverr works. You create an account, switch to seller mode, complete your profile, and publish one or more gigs describing the services you offer. Once your gigs are live, buyers can find them through Fiverr's search results or category pages. Your challenge isn't getting approved. Your challenge is standing out among thousands of similar gigs. Upwork takes a different approach. After creating your freelancer profile, you submit it for review. If it's approved, you can begin sending proposals to clients. If it isn't approved, you'll need to improve your profile or wait until your skills are in higher demand before trying again. The review process is designed to manage the number of freelancers entering the marketplace in each category. This is where many beginners make a mistake. They think getting approved means getting work. It doesn't. Approval only gives you access to the marketplace. Clients still choose freelancers based on profile quality, portfolio, pricing, reviews, and how well the proposal matches the job. Take Alex as an example. He creates a Fiverr account in one evening and publishes 3 graphic design gigs. They're live quickly, but he spends the next few weeks improving his thumbnails and descriptions to attract buyers. Jake signs up for Upwork with the same skill set. His profile is reviewed first, and once approved, he starts sending tailored proposals to businesses looking for logo designers. Both are working toward the same goal, but they enter the marketplace differently. The practical takeaway is simple. If your priority is getting your services listed as fast as possible, Fiverr usually has the quicker path. If you prefer applying directly to posted jobs, Upwork can be a better fit, but you'll need to clear the profile review first. Remember these 3 points. Fiverr generally lets you start selling sooner. Upwork reviews freelancer profiles before granting full access. Neither platform guarantees clients just because your account is active. Build a strong profile, add your best work, and keep improving it over time. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other freelance platform guides.